Hello. Welcome back to my channel. So, we are gonna be doing a hair video. So, I've been thinking about cutting my bangs a certain way for like 10 years. Okay, like 3 days. And I can't stop thinking about it. And you know what happens when I can't stop thinking about something? I gotta do it. I just have to do it. I have to do it. So we are gonna attempt to cut my hair bangs into a point like this. Might look good, might look bad. Who knows? We'll find out. So let's get into it. I'm gonna start layer by layer, and obviously I'm cutting them dry. They're a little crazy at the moment, but that's okay. Bang section out. I'm gonna put my hair in a pony or something so it's all the way. Wow, I look like a crazy person. Oh, here's one. A pony. First section. Ah, I'm freaking out. It'll grow back if I don't like it, probably. So I think I'm gonna keep like the middle this length, how it already is, and then just like go short to one curl at a time. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I'm sick of my bangs being in my eyeballs.
I got enough of every melody, they all sound the same. Yeah. For my broken heart, no remedy, but maybe if you stay, we can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my
I'm dry cutting my bangs so then I'll know where they're gonna lay. Somewhat lay, because they're a little crazy at the moment.
Affections, answer all my questions just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good.
I feel like these side pieces need to be shorter.
Oh, my darkest memories, now let me fall back. But you'll be there, ready.
Look how long this is. Okay, next layer. My bangs are still poofy outness. I'm also gonna do some layers so that they like lay flatter. Cause I haven't cut my bangs in a while. There's like no layers on them.
Need to rescue me if I go out of track. You can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition.
Oh, I like it already.
No apologies, my baby. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good.
My inspiration is from Mavis on Hotel Transylvania. I really want to look like her bangs. Because obviously my hair is curly and not black. And I guess I'm not a vampire. Yes, yes, yes! The last layer. Why is my last layer so long?
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my to feel tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. La 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 la. Oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home.
Oh yes, I think this is good. I like it. I like it. I like it. Ooh, ah, I love it. Love it. Love it. It's so cute. What do you guys think? I like it a lot. I really, really want to dye my bangs in like a strip of hair darker than the rest of my hair. That's another thing I'm thinking about. So let me know if you think I should do that. Do I look like Mavis? I like it a lot. I like it a lot. Okay, here's the finished results. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned for my next video. Bye. Pew, pew, pew. Yes, yes, yes. Cute, cute, cutie, cute, 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 cute,
What's
cute.
on the other side of inhibition? Ooh, I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so cool.